Hey guys, so today I'll be doing a mini squishy collection. I don't have a lot of squishies, so I'm just doing this video for fun as I have no other idea and I bring to any videos, so I just decided to do a mini squishy collection. So yeah, let's get started. The first squishy I have is this Rilakkuma one. And sorry for the background noise, it's my mom. And 1 year fell off, and there's a lot of defects in it, so I'm real licensed. You can see, Select licensed. I haven't really used it to see. It's really clear. Oh, there, Select. So it went out of focus. And there's a stretchy pink strap. And mine's the heart-shaped one. So yeah, no idea why it's not focusing. Next one I have is a really defected Bretto turtle. The hair is like dropping off, and the face is really squishy. And also my sister drew that and all that. And then the hands are coming apart, and the tail too. So it's still really squishy. Just really like this. Next I have this waffle. It's not really squishy, but I just like it. It's like sprinkles. It's like really cool designs. It's soft, but it won't like pop up because it's really thin. See how thin it is. And this is not squishy, by the way. It's just hard. See, I'm using all the crusher. Okay, next thing is this one. I don't know why I can't use it. You know what you can see. It's focusing. It's really dirty. I used to hang this on my phone, but took it out as it's very hard for me to write on my walls. So it's not squishy, it's really hard. And I got these for like 50 cents. Next, I got these mini squishy, and there's a lot of defects. You can see this is the cotton. See, there's a lot of defects. It's just really squishy. Okay, look how squishy that. Okay, these are squishy. So yeah, especially the ears, super squishy, and this Disney license. Sorry, very confused with this year's Disney licensed. Next, I have this really cute Minnie Mouse mascot, and it's also licensed, as you can see. And this is actually quite soft. This was about 1 year ago. Everything here is 1 year, except this is about 2 years, almost 3 years now. This I bought it last year, and my sister spoiled it so bad. Oh my god, there's holes. Sorry, the camera keeps on moving. Yeah, so this one I actually got from a trade, and these are actually sport ones. I traded it for ice cream, so yeah. This thing actually came out, so actually this is also really squishy, by the way. Yeah. This is a donut. Here, I haven't it. So, next thing is this. Sorry. It's a taco. It's very hard. It's very defected. It's just been into me. This is the first squishy I ever had. Let's see. Then you see this defects here. Here the ear came off, and this thing here is. And then that's Rilakkuma. It says Rilakkuma. You can see. I don't think I can open it. Yeah, I can't. But it has a stretchy strap, I promise. Stretchy. And this is the one with the strawberry chocolate one. And this is, I feel like a squishy, but it's really defective. So yeah. Next, I have another waffle. This is actually mine. I keep it in very good condition. But the green one, which is this one, is actually my sister's one. She actually threw it inside my case, so I just this is mine, and this is actually mine. I keep inside the plastic bag because my sister didn't want to keep hers. Also, this one is also not squishy. Also, I'm not trying to brag or anything. I have very few. I literally have no ideas in my head, so I just decided to make this video. Yeah. Next is this one. I actually got this with my friend. My friend has a pink one, so it's really squishy too. It's no defects. I'm gonna quickly go. And I have this Hello Kitty one, which is not licensed. This one is Hello Kitty Donuts. This is really squishy. It's no defects. It's licensed here. Next, I got a sticker. This is the end of the video. Bye guys. Left a like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye.